Obviously, manufacturing is changing quite a bit from what it used to be, and we have the opportunity to sort of change with it and see if we can't get out ahead of that change and provide the labor force necessary to keep this area and the state and the country going forward.
As this economy evolves from a blue-collar manufacturing economy into what it's going to be next, the knowledge economy, we have all of the tools right almost within walking distance of each other.
Career Tech provides that opportunity to get right into the career, find out if that's something you're good at, you're passionate about. And my belief is if you're passionate about something and you're good at it, there's going to be a job opportunity out there.
A lot of the students will be able to become employed right here out of Tri-Rivers, although I really stress to the fact with my students that I would like them to use this as a stepping stone, kind of a head start, if you will, into secondary education.
And when they finish my program, their junior and senior year through the criminal science part of it, they will actually walk away with 13 college credits from my program alone.
The students that we're producing are very bright, and many of them are college-bound students. Someday they're going to be the leaders of the community and organizations, and so, you know, it's very good training ground for these students.
Tri-Rivers is the foundation that Marion Tech is looking for from their students, and it's a great opportunity for those students to build a transcript while they're going to high school, and that's one of the biggest assets that I see.
And what we're trying to do is link these various educational institutions together so that students may find an interest in engineering, for example, at Tri-Rivers, maybe move into the engineering tech program at Marion Tech and eventually matriculate into the engineering program here at Ohio State and ultimately end up with an engineering degree from the Ohio State University.
We get a whole mixture of students that come here because they're passionate about a certain area.
Basically, it's people that want to go further in life. It's people who want to go to college, want a good career.
It's neat because so many of our graduates are in the community.
It's giving people a chance to get a degree, make a better living who might not otherwise have a chance to.
I can say from my own experience, I'm employed as an engineer, but I started out as an electrician, and I came out of a vocational program, and I know that whatever happens, the economy's crazy, I can always strap that tool belt on and I can go to work anywhere.
And every community right now, to be honest, I think is struggling. And it's nice to know that we have these programs here that allow people to get a nice, solid job. And when they go on, if they go on and get further education, they're still staying here.
I attended Tri-Rivers from 80s to 82. I graduated in 82 from the public safety program. From there, I went into the Marine Corps. After I served 6 years in the Marine Corps, I became a deputy sheriff for Delaware County. I retired last year as a deputy sheriff, and then I was offered a position here as the criminal justice instructor for the public safety program.
You know, the main purpose for our school is to put out trained, skilled workforce. And if you don't have that trained, skilled workforce ready, you know, in the pipeline for these local companies, they're going to go find that workforce somewhere else.
This is an educational corridor here on the east side of Marion, and we want to take advantage of that and exploit that really to take the community into the next century.
I wouldn't be where I am today without Tri-Rivers. I recommend it to anyone and everyone that comes in my path. It's just a great program.